I carry phone, I call another person. I call reach 5 people. Before I call finally know wetin dey go on. Say yes, this my legend, he don't go. He don't go. He don't go. This word don't balance. This word. It don't balance. It don't balance. It don't balance. It don't balance. It dey pay me. It don't balance. Dr. Guname, you lose God. You lose God me. You lose God the people. Dr. Guname, you lose God us. You lose God us. It dey pay me. They pay me. You come out, you leave children for Germany, you leave everything. Maybe along the process now your wife will tell you, see, no go, more got a day, or more go to that place of vacation. So you want to go ask, I go see your people. You want to go ask, you want to go see your people. You not suddenly go, secret way, legit way. You go in a big way. At the end of the day, when you for the do gay, that day you for fall. The rush you go hospital now, don't think of survivor. Dr. Guname, may your soul rest in peace. But if na man, na woman, now you can't change your downstep. Where we say you not can't control yourself, where you can't take fall, bros. Not let that person sleep, oh. Don't let that person sleep, Baba. I beg. Don't let that person sleep. Wherever you day, may your soul rest in perfect peace. But the life not balance. The life not balance. And we the other people, we need to seize this one and learn. We need to learn. Number one, more they take care of our health for Europe. More they try, more see they check our blood pressure. More see they check our temperature and everything. 2, if we still go house, if we your papa and your mama not tell them, do your thing in a low-key way. Not be say, you want to put yourself for danger. Brothers and sisters, I just want to say, you think, it touched my soul. Touch me, and I go continue to the remember am. But if they say you did Germany, bros, if you not die, I was never so my babinya ya, and I tell a day, my am with be here where, I'm with be here where, I'm the day out now. May God give your family, your wife, the strength to take care of the children that you left behind. All those who fought against you, they will also go. Judge them. Don't allow them to sleep. But if it was really natural death, the way it happened, that there was no hand in it, may you rest in peace. But I want to ask my other people, why is it that anybody now away from Europe go Nigeria go die? I want to ask. Other people want to answer my question. Why is anybody away from Europe go Nigeria now go die? If they're not poison them, armed robber go shoot them, or kidnapper go kill them, or he go sleep, he not go wake up. Why? Wetin dey happen? Wetin dey play? This man live in Germany for years. He not die. Never even reach 1 week. Tomorrow, now go make am 1 week where this man go house. Now we begin the earpiece of the circulate up and down. I be the expert say, na accident or the shooter. I swear, my leg will never step foot on that state again. Yes, because we the Edo people, they are killing their sons that is going to fight for the land. They are killing the great heroes that the land is producing. And those that is doing it, there must supposed to be an end to this issue. That they should leave the children that is going to fight for the land tomorrow. They are killing their sons. They are killing the great ones and leaving the bad ones behind. So my dear people, I greet you now. Everybody will say Dr. Oguname died today. No reason I say Dr. Oguname just die. Think about your own life. Cry for yourself. Tears your tears. That this is the man that you know is just gone. That I'm still living. Think about one day. Now your same picture will also be circulated. But Baba God, this world, it don't balance. It don't balance.